Dear viewers, thanks for watching WebTechies channel and thanks for subscribing, like and comment. In this video, we are going to see how Bootstrap navigation works. It is a very simple and easy to use component. With Bootstrap navigation, you can create a stunning navigation, and navigation component is a default feature of Bootstrap. Okay, now we'll see how it works. So if you see here, as already mentioned, like I'm using CodePlay for all Bootstrap and Angular purpose. It's a simple online tool. Here I'm using the nav tag that's from HTML, and if you see there are some mandatory tags which you have to put for navigation menu. Like for example, we have to put navbar expand, and this MD is nothing but which we already discussed. Like in Bootstrap we have the responsiveness, so we have to mention MD, LG, XM. So whatever viewport we need, we have to put this extension here. And there is an navbar doc. These are mandatory CSS tag. BG primary. I will tell you what it is. I think you can see here on the right hand side. If you see here, in desktop mode, that navigation will be working like this. In mobile mode, if you see, it will be like this. You can have the awesome expand collapse menu. This is so-called hamburger. I will tell you how to create. And in tablet mode, if you see, it will be again the screen will be a bit wider, and you can have the hamburger menu with the menus. Here if you see, this is the brand name. You can we have to give the brand name. So my brand name is WebTechies. So I mentioned my brand name here. And here it's a hamburger icon. If you see, you can see the hamburger icon. And these two are mandatory, which you have to give. Then only that expand collapse will work. So what is this is like? This is like collapse, which I am mentioning it here. And this is the ID. So based on this ID, that my entire menu will appear. So when we click this database target equal to this collapse navbar, I have to give the same thing inside this div also. In the div tag, if you see, I give the ID equal to collapse navbar. So this has to match same to same. Then only this drop down will work perfectly, or else it won't work. So under that, I have given the UL. So in UL we have the navbar nav. This is a mandatory tag again, and this nav item. These are the list. For list we have to use these things. And if you see, if I give active. So for example, if I'm clicking this, you can see that normally it will be in active mode. So for that we can have it. Currently I'm removing this one. It's not needed for us for now. So you have to save it and you have to run it. And here, if you see, I given the one more menu called about. So everything comes under the div. So generally, if you expand collapse in mobile mode or tablet mode, you can able to see under the hamburger menu. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what in the next Bootstrap session what we can have. Like for example, we want to have a component called alert, or you want to have the car type. So please let me know so we can have the I can create a video for that one. Or if you want a video like entire website which you want to create in Bootstrap, that also I can create. Please let me know in the comment section so I can able to create a video for that. Thank you. Thanks for watching WebTechies.